What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm KP, that's my RSX, and today we're going to be talking about K-tuning your RSX. So let's get this video started, y'all.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
What's up guys? What are y'all saying? It's been a long minute since I posted a video. Obviously we're here in Canada. It's winter time. It's crazy. But as the title of the video says, we're gonna be K-tuning the car. And I brought the car out because the weather's been nice. I've been itching to drive little old Lisa here, my RSX. And so I figured why not just do an install video. And now I realized when I was searching the internet, I was searching the web, I was trying to find information on the K-tuner, and there isn't much out there for the RSX K-tuner, right? I know what you're all thinking. Why did you go K-tuner, Kev? Why didn't you get the Honda? Well, look, this is a budget build that I'm doing here for my RSX, and I'm not looking for those high horsepowers. I'm not gonna do a whole, motor build on her. I needed something that fit the budget, and the K-tuner fit that. I would have gone Honda, but there's a lot that you need to change on your RSX to get it installed if you have the 0506, which is the facelifted RSX. And if you own one of those, whether it be base or Type S, it's kind of a pain in the ass if you ask me. Just to show you guys, this is what we're here for today, the K-tuning chip. This is it. This is the little chip. This is what we're here for today, to get this little chip. Now if you go on K-tuner's website and you search up their products, they do have, I believe it was three different tuning products. Obviously the tuning chip being one of them, and then there's the flash-based hardware. I think it's like the 1.2 version and then the 2.0 version. And here's the thing though, if you have an RSX, those two other products will not work with your car. You have to get the K-tuning chip. That is your only option. Now if you're like me and you happen to went with the K-tuner as opposed to Honda, you have a few different options in terms of getting it installed into your car. Obviously the first one being the easiest one, going on their website, you have to look for their authorized dealer. around wherever you are, close by to you, and you go to them and they take care of you. That's probably gonna be the easiest way. Unfortunately, if you're like me, that's all the way in Canada, we don't have an authorized dealer that's kind of like conveniently close to us. The closest authorized dealer is hella far. I'm talking hella far. I happened to get the chip from my local, my local freaking car shop, and the only thing is they didn't provide me with all the hardware that needed to come with it. So it's just these little guys, these little sockets. They didn't come with the K-tuning pack. I was stuck trying to figure out how am I gonna get this chip installed, because you need those sockets. Shout out to HA Motorsports. I believe they are in Alabama. Thank you so much. It's thanks to them that I was able to order those little sockets and get it delivered here. Now that I have the K-tuning chip, now that I got my sockets, have everything I need, now all you gotta do is get this soldered onto your ECU. I don't have the skills to do that, unfortunately. I'm getting a professional to do it, and it is highly recommended that you do get a professional to get it installed. So we are here at SFG Auto Haus. They are in Markham, Ontario. So if you are in the Canada area, be sure to check them out. They're a dope ass shop. I've been coming here for a while now, and they've always taken care of me. Always taking care of me. Stellar work. They care about their job. They care about their passion. So check these guys out. I'll leave a link here on information about them. And Kevin sold today, my boy, who's gonna be doing the installation for the video for you guys, for us. And shout out to him. Thank you for always taking care of me. It's not an easy installation. It's like I said, it's highly recommended you get a professional. What do you say, guys? Let's get this video started. Let's do this. What is up, guys? So this is the next day. Unfortunately, we weren't able to finish the installation the following day. So Kevin did finish it today, and it happened to be a two-person job that needed to be done, and I wasn't able to be there to record it. I'm sorry, guys, but I did just finish picking up the RSX. She does feel like she's got some pep. She boogies a bit more. So far, with the K-tuner and the flash map that's loaded up there, it just we will be hitting some roads. I want to show you guys some footage of the car and how it feels. It's not It's not a dramatic difference, I'll be honest. You know, it's not gonna push you back into your seat as it would a turboed car would, but it does feel like it pulls a little bit more harder, and it was at a pretty good price. The car does feel like it has a bit more pep to its step. She pulls a little bit harder. I just hope it really captures it on camera. I'm sorry if it doesn't, guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna put an end to today's video. Big shout out to the guys at SFG Auto House. Thank you so much for taking care of my car. Kevin, Sil, Nelson, you guys are the best. You guys always get the job done. Overall, I gotta say, I like the K-Tuner. I approve. I do recommend it. If you're not, gonna go crazy with a full-on build, I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. That's the most important thing. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.